Y'all want to feed some babies? We got more. This is our newest. This is Daisy. We got Daisy yesterday. We're going to feed her first. So she is technically not the siblings of her bed partners. We'll formally introduce them. These are going to be our flower babies. And we just keep adding. She's a very slow eater. That would be Rose that you hear in the background. Yesterday, when we got Daisy, Daisy and Rose screamed until about 10:30 last night. It was not pleasant. I don't know why. But we gave them medication and something worked. Whereas Sweet Pea back there has been quiet the whole time. She's like, just shut up, I want to sleep. We're an hour earlier for feeding because, you know, the kids are hungry. And we have more additions to the flower group. We'll get to that. Rose, we hear you, baby. So Daisy's doing great. She's got too loose a poop, so we're trying to get her to stop pooping. And Sweet Pea and Rose were trying to get to poop. And I don't know about the new ones because we ain't got there yet. She's a very slow eater, as you can see. Let me see if I can move you guys in a little closer. There we go. Where you can see more of this sweet little... People keep texting me. Let's turn that on. You might be able to see a little bit better. Yeah. Are you nursing or are you drinking, baby? Yes. She's a little chunker. Yeah. And you can't see that at all. There we go. We are on a mixture of fresh goat milk and Breeder's Edge. We're around a half and half solution. I am very blessed that I have found a sweet lady that has a milking goat and is happy to share. Thank you very much, Miss Shelby. You know who you are. Because these babies are loving it and doing really, really, really well on it. All right, Mama. Obviously, somebody's here. Here we go. Okay. Let me put you on pause, P-A-W-S. She is such a slow eater. She's finally done. We're going to do our business. Don't gripe and complain. Don't gripe and complain. Look at that face. Yeah, I know. We're going to potty her a little more off camera. I know, baby. All right, one down. This is Miss Rose. All right. Yeah. We have to convince her a little that she wants to eat. There you go. Here we go. Feel like here's a better shot. Yeah. This is one that needs to poop. All right. Let's see if we can get a poop little girl. We'll do this part off camera. This is Sweet Pea. If she ain't just the cutest. She just a super chill little girl. Hmm? Yeah, she is. She's a good little girl. Num num num. Yeah. Didn't think they'd eat a whole lot. We're a little early. Let's see if we can get her to go to the bathroom. Nope. Still no poop. All right, let's get our two new ones. Hi. This is Iris. Isn't she beautiful? These babies were rescued out of a storm drain. Yeah, they are the only survivors of their group. I don't know how many there were, but 2 are what made it, and they are fat, fat, fat. So let's see if they want to eat any. They shouldn't, because, oh my God, at that stretch, Miss Iris. Lord. Yes, ma'am. Would you like some? Maybe. Maybe a little? No, these babies are full. So we're going to just put them in. So there's Iris. Oh, actually, we need to weigh her because I don't know how much she weighs. So let's weigh Miss Iris. Ooh. She is a chunky 229 grams. So let's write her down real quick. Pause. All right, let's get Sunflower. She's also passed out. Come on, my baby. Hi. This is Sunflower. Isn't she beautiful? I don't think she'll eat either, but we're going to try. Just to see. Because they all... Yeah, no, she's full. Let's see how much this little chunker weighs. She is 244. She a big girl. She big boned it. There you go. All right. Everyone is tucked away for right now. I realize these babies have trickled in, you know, a couple at a time. We basically got 2, and then we got 1, and then we got 2 more. They are all pretty much basically the same age, so I'm going to age them at the same date, and just treat them as if they were siblings. Unfortunately, I do not have the ability to quarantine that many, but they're all pretty much the same age. They all seem to be in really relatively pretty good health. So I'm going to take my chances because it's about all I can do at this point. Unfortunately, I just don't have a large facility to separate everybody and keep them separated. So it just is what it is. But this is going to be my flower group. So we have Sweet Pea, Rose. These were the first. Then came Daisy, which was yesterday. And then today we got 2 more, which is Daisy, Sweet Pea, Rose, Daisy, Iris, and Sunflower. So that's 5 with them. So how many does that mean that I have? I have 10 right now. We got back up to 10 within 48 hours. Whatever. Anyway, such is kitten math. So we're just going to end this one here as the introduction to the flower babies and how we do kitten math in 3 days. It's just kind of how it goes. You guys know the rules. You stay out of trouble now, but if you can't, don't get caught. Till then, stay safe, stay clean, and have a perfect day. Love you, bye.